Enjoy blissful relaxation at Alpemare Beach Club with Great Italy Tour. Situated between the Tuscan seaside and the Alps, Alpemare is the perfect location for a wonderful experience with Great Italy Tour. Start off the day with a relaxing massage in the gorgeous garden of Alpemare with a professional masseuse and Lajatica beauty products by the Bocelli family. Afterwards, continue in pure relaxation with the Sound 6D experience, a new pillow that surrounds you with the sounds of your choice like music or nature. Revel in the beauty of the Tuscan seaside in complete luxury with Great Italy Tour. With Great Italy Tour, you can experience all of the magic that Italy has to offer.